Ever wondered what makes your computer tick? That mysterious box sitting on or under your desk is a collection of fascinating components working together. This video is your friendly guide to understanding the essential building blocks of a personal computer. We'll break down the jargon and show you exactly what each part does. The brains of the operation, the central processing unit. Let's start with the most crucial component, the central processing unit or CPU. Think of it as the brain of your computer. It's responsible for executing instructions, performing calculations, and basically making everything happen. CPUs are characterized by their clock speed, measured in gigahertz or GHz, which indicates how many instructions it can process per second. More cores mean it can handle multiple tasks simultaneously more efficiently. Different CPUs use different sockets, so they're not universally interchangeable. Using the right CPU is vital for the overall performance of your system. Short-term memory, random access memory. Next up is random access memory or RAM. Imagine RAM as your computer's short-term memory. It temporarily stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly. The more RAM you have, the more data your computer can keep readily available, leading to a smoother multitasking and faster loading times. RAM is measured in gigabytes, and its speed is also important, measured in megahertz or MT per second. Different motherboards support different types and speeds of RAM, so compatibility is key. Insufficient RAM can lead to noticeable slowdowns when running multiple applications or demanding software. Long-term storage, hard disk drives and solid-state drives. Now let's talk about long-term storage, where your operating system, application and files are stored permanently. There are two types: hard disk drives and solid-state drives. Hard disk drives, or HDDs, use spinning magnetic patterns to store and retrieve data. They offer large storage capacities at a lower cost per gigabyte, but are generally slower. SSDs, on the other hand, use flash memory, making them significantly faster, more durable, and quieter. While they might be slightly more expensive per gigabyte, the speed difference is often well worth it, especially for your operating system and frequently used applications. The motherboard, the central hub. The motherboard is the backbone of your computer. It's a circuit board that connects all the other components together, allowing them to communicate. Think of it as the nervous system of your PC. The motherboard dictates what types of CPU, RAM, and other expansion cards your system can use. It also provides the connections for your storage drives, peripherals, and power supply. Different motherboards come in various sizes or form factors with different features and expansion capabilities. Powering it all, the power supply unit. Every component in your computer needs power to function, and that's where the power supply unit or PSU comes in. It converts the AC power from your wall outlet into the DC power that your PC components require. PSUs are rated by their wattage, which indicates the maximum amount of power they can deliver. It's crucial to choose a PSU with enough wattage to comfortably power all your components, with some headroom for future upgrades. A good quality PSU also ensures stable and reliable power delivery, protecting your valuable hardware. Seeing is believing. The graphics processing unit. If you plan on gaming, video editing, or any graphically intensive tasks, the graphics processing unit or GPU is a vital component. While the CPU can handle some graphics processing, a dedicated GPU excels at rendering images, videos, and 3D environments. GPUs have their own dedicated memory or VRAM and processing power. They connect to the motherboard via a PCIe slot. Choosing the right GPU depends on your specific needs and the resolution and refresh rate of your monitor. Connecting peripherals, input-output ports. Now let's look at how you interact with your computer. The input-output ports. These are the various connectors on the back and sometimes the front of your PC that allow you to plug in the monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, and other peripherals. Understanding these ports is essential for connecting your device correctly. USB ports come in different speeds and types. DisplayPort and HDMI are common video output standards. Ethernet provides a wired network connection, while audio jacks allow you to connect headphones or speakers. Keeping things cool. Cooling solutions. As your computer components work, they generate heat. Efficient cooling is crucial to prevent overheating, which can lead to performance issues and even damage your hardware. There are various cooling solutions available. Air coolers use heat sinks and fans to dissipate heat, while liquid coolers use a liquid coolant to transfer the heat away from the components. Proper case airflow, achieved through strategically placed fans, is also essential for overall system cooling. The home of your components, the PC case. All these components need a home, and that's the PC case. The case provides physical protection for your hardware, helps with airflow, and contributes to the overall aesthetics of your system. PC cases come in various sizes and designs, and the size of the case often dictates the size of the motherboard it can accommodate. Features like a good airflow, cable management, and ease of access are important considerations when choosing a case. Putting it all together, a brief overview. So we've covered the CPU, RAM, storage, motherboard, PSU, GPU, I/O ports, cooling, and the case. These components work in harmony to bring your digital world to life. Building a PC involves carefully selecting compatible parts and connecting them correctly within the case. Your journey begins. Understanding these basic PC hardware components is the first step in your journey into the world of computers. Whether you're planning to upgrade your current system or build a new one from scratch, this knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions. That's all for this video. If you learned something new or enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future updates. And if you've ever run into any IT issues, our team is ready to assist. You'll find all the ways to get in touch with us on the screen or below in the description. Thank you for tuning in.